new Trane, which I think all these new units replaced Carrier TECH2000s.
These are all heat pumps.
Tecumseh compressor.
This is a 1994 1.5 ton.
Hasn't been running. That sounded beautiful.
Sounded nice. Sounded like a Tecumseh.
Nice and cold. And there's one way back there. That one's also from 94. I'm not going to bother going all the way back there.
There's another one.
Here's an above shot of these units. I just stepped on a stump. That one is from 2012. And that one is 2020, I think. Yeah, that's 2020. And here's the last Carrier TECH2000. You can see the panel's slightly off there.
Put it on correctly.
Either that or it's out of service. We've got more.
More TECH2000s. Here's the first one. Has been running.
So there's 3 left on this side.
1.5 ton.
1995.
Tecumseh AW. Oh, wow. Reciprocating. Here's a new Trane. 2023. Another one, this was 95 as well, 1.5 ton. And the nice cold.
Brand new. It's working amazingly. This is from 2011, 2-ton, 13 SEER. This one has a Copeland reciprocating compressor in it, and this one's from 2012 with a Climatuf recip, 2-ton.
All right.
96, 1.5 ton. Different blade design. 2019, 2-ton. Really nice units. We'll definitely be coming back in the winter for defrost cycles.